Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Indah Pesona Asia, and with student number 12320404147. Okay, in this presentation, I will be sharing my reflection on three podcast episode that I listened to as part of our extensive listening class. Each podcast helped me learn new things and practice my English listening skill. I will talk about the content, what I found interesting, and how it helped me grow during this course. Okay, the first episode I explored was word of mouth with an episode title 32 Word for Field. This episode talks about how our Irish language reflects a deep bond with nature and culture. The guest mentioned Magan described how traditional Irish had many words for different type of fields based on their shape, use, or size. What stood out to me was how some Irish words have poetic and even spiritual meaning, showing a worldview connected to the land and the supernatural. It was also surprising to learn that some Irish words are similar to Arabic and Sanskrit, like a simrab. This podcast helped me improve my ability to understand cultural discussion in English, and I also expanded my vocabulary related to language and identity. Okay, next, the second episode I listened to come from the analysis. It focused on how psychological terms such as gaslighting and boundaries are now widely used in everyday conversation. Susie O'Brien, the expert ghost, point out that although this trend show people care more about mental health, misusing this word can cause confusion or even be manipulative. Personally, I thought this episode was eye-opening because I often hear this term on social media, and I realize now that people may not fully understand what they mean. It reminded me to be more tactful with the language I use. Listening to this episode was challenging, but it helped me train my ear to follow detailed explanation and different speaking style. The last episode I listened to was from Business Daily, which covered the effect of US tariff on Chinese import. This episode discussed how business in China are feeling the impact, especially in manufacturing, and how they are trying to adapt by exploring other markets. This episode helped me understand how international trade politics affect real people, like workers and small business owners. While the government may appear optimistic, the economic tension is clearly being felt on the ground. This podcast improved my ability to follow economic discussion in English. It also introduced me to business terms and gave me more confidence in understanding complex topics. Okay, to warm up, listening to the three podcasts has been a meaningful part of my learning journey. I've gained new knowledge, sharpened my listening skill, and learned to appreciate English spoken in various contexts. This course has made me more confident and motivated to keep learning through listening. Okay, maybe enough from me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.